Welcome back to Northridge 4x4, and today we're going to talk more about the giveaway Gladiator. We teased you that we were going to build this up, and we teased you that we were going to give this away. And that's true, we're going to give away this Gladiator after it's built up. It is a 2020 Hydro Blue Gladiator Sport, completely stripped down. The only things we've done to it is it's got the 8-speed automatic transmission and it has the max tow package. Other than that, this is a bare canvas. So what are we going to build this Gladiator up with? Well, boxes of parts have been showing up. What do we got so far? All kinds of really trick parts, like a Sunrider top and floor liners from Best Top, anti-rock sway bars from Rock Jock, a suspension from Evo Manufacturing. We've got some really trick internal bypass shocks from Fox Shock, well, winch and winch parts from Warn, even Patagonia tires from Milestar. Now this is only a start. There's so many more parts from a lot more awesome manufacturers showing up all the time, and you're gonna get to see us put all these parts on this Gladiator. So you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell right next to it to make sure that you get notices every time we put new parts on this giveaway Gladiator. So before I go on, let's hit clean up on aisle number 5. Now let's answer those questions you have. Number 1, when are we going to give this Gladiator away? Well, the drawing is going to be held mid-January 2021, a whole year away. Why? Well, because this Gladiator is going to be touring the country after we get it built up. 2, how can you enter to win this Gladiator? Well, there's multiple different ways that you can enter, and you can enter more than once. You can enter in person. That's right, we told you this Gladiator is going to be touring the country. It's going to be hitting many of the big off-road and 4x4 events across the nation. Places like Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah. And how about Jeep Beach down in Daytona Beach, Florida? Also the Off-Road Expo in Flagstaff, Arizona, and the Toledo Jeep Fest in Toledo, Ohio, just to name a few. There will be a full list of the events that this Gladiator will be at on the Northridge 4x4 giveaway Gladiator page. Check that out to find out where you can go check this Gladiator out in person and enter. Now you can also enter online. Go to the Northridge 4x4 giveaway Gladiator page and follow the rules there. Another way you can get entries is to buy parts from us here at Northridge 4x4. The more you spend, the more entries you get. And if you buy parts that are made by those manufacturers that are taking part in this promotion, you will get extra entries. Kind of our way of saying thanks to those sponsors. And of course, you can do the old-fashioned way. You can just do a mail-in entry. Of course, check all our rules and regulations for more information. Hit that subscribe button because you're going to want to subscribe. Hit that notification button because you're going to want to get notifications for all future videos on this giveaway Gladiator. Hit that like button because what's not to like about a free Gladiator? And leave us a comment down below. How would you build a Gladiator up and what would you like to see on the giveaway Gladiator? Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation. So I can, a black. Boy.